Und okay, so let us see where we were. Mm,
फोन कर लो अभी
लिख लो आप कर रहे क्लास ना तो वेट कर लीजिए आप रुक के राम कौन
so, Sie können es sehen jetzt. Sie können mein Monitor sehen.
Yeah.
Ja.
Ja.
Und haben Sie auch eine Wiederholung gemacht? Übungen? Wiederholung? Have you repeated it? Wiederholen?
Yeah.
Have you learned it? Haben Sie das gelernt?
Yeah.
Hören nicht von allem. हेलो
हेलो
हाँ भाई आप लोगों ने क्या किया बताइए मेरे को
I have revised it.
ओके ओके अभिषेक अंडरस्टूड डोंट नीड
You
टू
understood, right? We
स्पीक
tried to revise, but I revised.
ओके ओके नीलेश
No, and then.
No, to be honest.
ओके see this is what I'm trying to avoid that we should not be doing it okay we should be actually revising it on the same day otherwise what will happen we'll just forget about it okay this is this is a language looks easy but until it is repeated and repeated and repeated it doesn't enter into our heads this is the problem this is the problem है ना okay
Join this. Join
so
from this.
need to do this at least for 15 minutes a day this much time you have to find otherwise all the efforts and time and money all are wasted okay so please let us do it
So start with the first question. 8:21 a.m.
okay
So is
as
Es ist
assist
21 is join und Johannes, right?
nine
Es ist nach
nine
join
and
und
hold
Johannes.
halt what is 21
Hab
21 is what
Join und Johannes. Sorry. Join.
why why
21.
zwei why
Nee,
zwei
Sorry. Ein und
22.
Johannes.
so 20 I have been telling about the pronunciation zwei
Zwei.
ein und 20 21
Ein und 20.
okay so es ist 8
Nach.
8 Uhr 21
Now it's 22.
okay
So es ist 8:20.
22 8 Uhr
22.
22
Yeah.
so if you want to read it 2 und
20. Und 20.
okay this is how you need to read this is how this needs to be read okay
अच्छा, can we also say the dry one? कैसे है इसका?
yeah
Dry war half 9.
dry 4 this is
Dry
4
4. Yeah, dry 4.
4
Dry
is
4 half
4.
9.
Okay, so please be
Yeah.
careful. This is not war. This is 4.
4. Yeah.
4. Yeah. 4.
Okay, there
Yeah.
is. Okay, so this is sieben. This is sieben vor halb neun.
See.
Sieben vor halb neun. Halb neun. Okay. What is
Acha Zebin. All right. Yeah.
23, 8:23, no?
Hmm.
7 vor halb neun. Okay.
Okay.
No, okay, you need to repeat, everybody. 7 vor,
Zebin. 4. Ab 9.
7 vor halb neun. Okay.
Zebin.
Even
4.
4 halb
Ab
9.
9.
Okay. Drive. Okay, just read out the numbers.
23.
23.
Hey,
23.
stop. Please mind this alphabet.
Yeah.
Yeah, who is saying
23.
Zwanzig? Who is saying Zwanzig?
20.
20.
Uh-huh.
20.
Yeah, be careful about it, yeah? 23.
23.
23.
Next.
23.
Mhm.
24.
20.
25.
20.
25.
26.
27.
27.
28.
28. 29.
28. 29.
30.
30.
29, 30. Okay.
Yeah.
40.
दे दो
पढ़ो भाई.
50.
50. 60. 60. 90.
96.
Nilesh, from here. 40.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
50.
40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 0.
Nilesh, you are still saying zig. You are still saying nig. Okay, you are still saying zig.
90.
Mm-hmm.
90. 90.
And last one.
0.
900.
100.
प्रोनाउंसिएशन थोड़ा क्लियर हो गया अभी
बट थोड़ा नहीं चाहिए ना, पूरा चाहिए.
हाँ,
पूरा
वो
चाहिए.
है अभी पूरा चाहिए.
हाँ, थोड़े से काम नहीं चलेगा. अब थोड़े जा.
105.
आपकी बातें सुन के मेरी वाइफ हंसते रहती है, हंस रही है अभी भी. थोड़ा सा नहीं चलेगा, बोली अच्छी बात है, तो उंगली दिखा रही है मुझे.
100 die.
ठीक है. So please
Yeah.
read it, everybody.
100 times. 100 zwei. 100 drei.
103.
Okay, again read. Start. Eins, zwei.
1, 2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Stop,
Yes,
Nilesh. Stop. This is sane. Again, Nilesh, mind it. Okay, please be conscious about it. Be cautious about it. Okay.
Okay.
Do it consciously. Making mistakes is not a problem, but try to do it consciously. Okay. Go ahead. 9.
9, 10.
Good.
Wolf, Dreifen,
Nilesh, keep on reading.
Yeah. 13, 14, 15.
13. Stop. 13.
13.
Okay.
13. Yeah. 13.
14.
13, 14, 15.
Stop again. 14. It is सेन. Like वो बंगाली में होता ना था सेन बाबू. ये वो सेन है. Okay.
15,
हाँ, correct.
16. अच्छा. 16, 17,
18,
18, 19, 20,
21, 30,
21, 30,
50, Sek, Sib,
Siebzig,
Sik,
Aktisch, 90,
100 eins,
100 Abhishek.
100,
100, sorry,
100
100 eins,
eins, 200,
200,
1000,
eins,
1000,
nein, nein, nein,
1000,
1000.
1000,
Correct.
1 Million,
Eine
Million,
Million. Eine Million.
1 Million, ja,
1
1
Million,
Million,
Eine Milliarde.
Milliarde,
1 Milliarde.
Okay. So
Hmm.
when we talk about cardinal numbers, cardinal, I told you, cardinal numbers, they show the position of that number. Okay. The serial in that number. Okay. So este, erste, zweite,
Erste,
zweite,
zweite, dritte,
mhm, vierte.
vierte,
And everybody knows the meaning of this USW
USB,
und so
why, und so weiter, yes,
so
etc.
no so on and
So,
so
yeah,
forth
so on, yeah, und so weiter, so on.
and so on and so forth. Okay.
Hmm.
okay.
So next, mhm, einhalb.
Ein Viertel.
Huh.
Hmm.
Date.
Viertel,
Ein
quarter,
Viertel.
half.
Mhm.
Berlin,
कैसे पढ़ेंगे इसको?
so,
12 अप्रैल. सो नंबर के बाद डॉट लगा हुआ है ना, नंबर के बाद डॉट लगा हुआ है ना, तो बताया था ये दिस इज कार्डिनल नंबर ना. इट शोज द
mhm,
पोजीशन इन दैट कैलेंडर. 12th of April. 12th of April. This is not April 12. This is 12th of April.
Yeah.
Okay.
mhm,
So how will you read it? 12th April.
12 April,
Okay.
Wednesday.
Heute ist der 1. März. Heute ist der
Is
1.
erste März,
Okay. Der 1.3.
there
1.
day.
पहले देखो ये आपकी डेट हो गई, ये आपका मंथ हो गया धृटे ना. तो 1 मार्च 3rd मंथ होता है ना.
Yeah.
सो एस्टे 1st and 3rd. There este dhite. Today is the 1st of 3rd. 1st of 3rd.
Hmm.
How are we saying? 1st of 3rd. Right? Or no, you don't need to. Okay, this is optional. Bracket is showing option. 1st of 3rd month, right? That will be the 1st March. That will be 1st March. Okay. Okay. 3rd July. Dritter Juli. Now, why this is Dritter Juli? Do we know that? Because Juli month article is der Juli. Do we remember this?
yes,
Yes.
So no article plus der is equal to dritter. That r has been taken from there. Okay, this r has been taken from here. Okay, so dritter Juli.
dritter Juli,
ओके, dritter Juli. और इसी को अगर हम आर्टिकल लगा के बोलेंगे तो क्या बोलेंगे? देयर dritte Juli. क्योंकि अभी हमने ये आर्टिकल यहाँ लगाया है तो इसलिए इसका आर्टिकल ये एर जो है वो यहीं रहेगा, है ना. और अगर ये यहाँ से इसको हटा देते हैं तो इसका एर जो है वो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा, है ना. समझ में आया क्या ये बात आपको? Everybody following this? If we are using it without definite article, I'm talking about 3rd July. Here I'm talking the 3rd July.
The 3rd July. There.
Right?
Yeah.
We are talking about the 3rd July. The 3rd of
So,
July.
so most of the word which you use in English is replaced by der, right?
See, I told you the English में dare, the and
Yeah, there. Die,
us.
das.
3 आर्टिकल डाई नहीं है, डी है.
Yeah, there, die, das.
फिर डी है, डी आई ई इज डी.
Yeah, D.
Okay, so you
Yeah,
need to read this as
D.
D.
Here,
okay.
D, yeah.
There, the and
Yeah,
thus. This is masculine.
yeah.
This is masculine,
This is feminine
Feminine.
feminine, and last one
and
is
neutral.
Neutral.
okay. So be careful. In German, there are 3 definite articles according to the gender, as
D.
as per the gender. Okay, as per the gender, there are 3 definite articles. Okay, so der, die, and das as per the gender. This is masculine, this is feminine, and this is neutral. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, how is this arm written usually? Now, in Germany or in German language, we have prepositions, right?
Yes.
Do all know? Everybody knows prepositions? Not everybody. Difficult, forgotten, na everything? Okay, no problem. No problem. So, prepositions on, off,
And
uh, over, under, above, along. Okay. So these words are called prepositions. Okay.
Yeah.
And in German, the tense also changes, or rather conjugation also changes as per the causes. Causes कौन कौन होते हैं? Accusative,
that.
Nominative, dative.
हाँ, correct. Nominative, and dative. Okay. So this am is a dative preposition, and dative preposition कौन सी है? An, un, है ना? Un is a dative preposition.
Position.
Okay, when it is used, so it's a preposition. This is the preposition. So un in its dative form will be am, and dame. क्योंकि मैंने आपको बताया था भी कि नहीं बताया? डेयर का डेम हो जाता है, बताया था कि नहीं बताया था? बताया है ना? तो कैसे चेंज होता है? अभी आपको दिखाता हूँ कैसे. अच्छा,
नहीं है ना, तो चाय बना देते हैं.
okay, just a minute.
नहीं, अभी पी लेते हैं.
इतना टाइम है उसके पास करके बेचा.
तो हमने आपको क्या बताया था कि डेयर, डी एंड दस. नॉमिनेटिव में क्या होता है, डाटिव में क्या होता है, अकुजाटिव में क्या होता है? डेयर का डेयर है, डेन और डेन. डी का D,
Dem.
D.
D का D,
Dino.
अरे ये क्या?
ये D का दास हो जाएगा।
नहीं नहीं नहीं
Indulge.
नहीं नहीं नहीं,
हाँ,
ये क्या होगा? डेयर।
Dem.
और 10 का, 10 का
Dem.
10,
Dem.
10 10 दाई दास 10 दी दास
ना 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 ना,
दास ही होगा। डेम।
डेयर डेम, इस तरह से याद करना है आपको, ठीक है। नॉमिनेटिव में डेयर, अकुजेटिव में देन, दाटिव में डेम। डी, डी एंड देयर, दास, दास एंड डेम। Okay, this is how they will change. So when we use an accusative dative preposition, so you will see that dative will have a dame. Dative will change this preposition to dame. Now how do we know whether it will change or not? So there are prepositions which are defined, that this is a dative preposition and this is a accusative preposition. Okay, so these are definite prepositions which have been defined, but there are prepositions which are dative. There are dative prepositions, there are accusative prepositions, and there are which are dative and accusative both. They are both type of prepositions. Okay, so we need to learn that also. Do we understand this? That there are prepositions which are dative, accusative, and both dative and accusative. Okay, so am dritten Juli ge ish surshunde. Now you see, now here there are two prepositions. An, there are two prepositions in this sentence, an and su. Okay, these are two prepositions and both are dative prepositions. An is actually a mixed preposition. An is a mixed preposition, whereas su is a dative preposition. Okay, now am. So when the question is asked, when I'll tell you. Wait. Somebody running around here. Hello.
Surely the same.
अरे आप लोग मेरी आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं, नहीं सुन पा रहे हैं? सुन पा रहे हैं ना?
हाँ।
अच्छा, क्योंकि बैकग्राउंड में काफी नॉइज है, इसलिए मुझे लगा कि शायद नहीं सुन पा रहा होगा. Okay, so now we need to clarify. Okay, just give me 1 second. 1 second.
This screen, we get this to you. We need to get this.
Okay. So, okay. Let me introduce you to some grammar. Now you see. Now, how is this dative case explained? Okay. Now, how do we do this? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
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 Now, what are the? Let us talk about the cases. Now, we have these cases: uh, nominative, accusative, dative, and genitive. There are 4 cases. Okay. The genitive part we are not doing at the moment because it is the advanced part. Okay.
Okay.
So this is part of possessive. So now you can see this is nominative is the direct subject, accusative is direct subject, and dative is the indirect subject. Okay. Now when we talk about nominative, nominative is the basic form. It's a very basic form. Articles, adjectives, nouns, and pronouns. The subject sentence is always in the nominative case. We can find the nominative by asking where or was. Where का मतलब क्या होता है? क्या था?
What?
Who. Who. And was क्या था? What.
What?
Okay.
Okay. Now, by asking, when we ask a question which starts from where we ask for who has done this or was, what. So, das kleine Haus gehört, ये कहाँ से आ गया? तो गलत है. का एग्जांपल आ गया. ओह, ये तो गलत है. ये एग्जांपल गलत है यहाँ पर. Okay. Ich bin Abhay. Okay. Who am I? Or who are you? Who are you? This is an Ich lerne Deutsch.
Deutsch.
Ich lerne Deutsch.
Deutsch.
Okay. What am I doing? I'm learning German.
Okay.
So this is simple nominative case example. Okay. Ich bin. I told you in the beginning that when we make a straight statements. Okay. So and you can always remember when you ask the question with where or was. Okay. Is that understood? Who or what is performing the action? Who is doing the action or what is the action being performed? Okay. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So ich bin Abhay. This is nominative case. Ich lerne. What am I doing? I'm learning German. Okay.
Ich lerne Deutsch.
Ich bin Abhay. Ich lerne Deutsch. Ich komme aus Indien. Okay.
Ich komme aus Indien.
Ich
wohne in Pune.
Richtig. Ich wohne in
Pune.
Okay. Now, next case is accusative case. Now, when we look at the accusative case, it follows certain verbs. Case follows certain verbs and prepositions. जिसकी हम बात कर रहे थे ना, verbs and prepositions. So, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था कि prepositions जैसे dative और accusative होती हैं, उसी तरह verbs भी dative और accusative होती हैं. Okay. Verbs are also case defined by case. So there are verbs which are always accusative, there are verbs which are always dative, and there are verbs which are again mixed verbs. Depending on the preposition, they are defined as dative or accusative. So, ich kenne den freundlichen Mann. Ich इश्केने
Condition.
देन। नो मन का आर्टिकल क्या है? मन का आर्टिकल है डेयर, ठीक है,
Airman.
डेयर मान। ओके,
Ich bin den Freund,
फ्रॉइंडलिशन मान।
Freundly
Freundlichen Mann.
condition.
इसको अगर हम हटा भी दे टू मेक इट इजी, इश्केने देन मान
Ich kenne den
Sein.
Mann schon.
शोन भी हटा देते हैं, मेक इट इजी।
Yes.
जाइट यार,
Zeit.
विलेन भी हटा देते हैं, एडजेक्टिव सारे हटा देते हैं,
Vielen
सारे एडजेक्टिव हटा
Jahren.
देते हैं। Ich kenne den Mann seit Jahren. Seit Jahren.
Kennen den Mann seit Jahren.
Now, seit is again a preposition which is dative preposition, and in dative we know that. Okay. Now, when we go for plural, now this is the singular form. Okay, these all are the singular forms. Now there is a plural forms.
Plural.
Now, what will be the plural form?
D. D.
There का D. Okay. Not only this, every form will have a plural. This is singular form. This is plural form. This is already plural, so D is always the plural form. Okay.
Yes.
D is always the plural form. In accusative, this remains D.
नहीं चाहिए आज सर।
And D. Now, dative, this will be there. This will be there. Dative plural will be den, not there. It will be den. Okay, do we understand? So, since everything is D, so we don't write that everything is D. Okay. Every plural will be D. In dative form, this will become there. And wait. Okay, this is the singular form, and in plural form it will become den. This is how it is. Okay, now do we understand this? There, thus are three articles. Okay, in nominative case, and this is plural form for all. This is the plural form for all. Okay, plural form is always D. Plural form
Okay.
is by default, plural is always D. Article is always D. Okay. But in dative form, plural will become den. Plural will become D ka
Den.
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 Okay. Singular form, this is plural form. This is singular form. This is singular form. This is plural form. Is this clear now?
Yes.
अभिषेक,
Yes.
कंफ्यूजन तो नहीं है? क्योंकि ये याद रखना पड़ेगा हमको कि नॉमिनेटिव केस में डेयर इज डेयर, डी इज डी एंड दस, दिस इज द नॉर्मल फॉर्म। केस में क्या है? डेन, डी एंड दस।
Den, die, das.
ओके, वी विल रिमूव दिस
Den,
हियर।
der, den. Yeah.
I'm removing this because we have written this here. Okay.
Yeah.
Plural is always D. Okay. Only, so this is not, this doesn't apply only for this. This applies to everything. Every plural will have the article den. Plural, dative will always be den.
और ये प्लूरल डी कब लगेगा?
प्लूरल तो हर चीज का डी होता है, कभी भी, जैसे
हर चीज का होगा,
हर चीज का डी। अगर मान लो फैन है और हमको फैंस कहना है तो
डी फैंस,
Die Fan.
डी वेंटिलाटोरन
Wie Ventilator.
और
दी ऑटो,
आउटोस।
एंड वो जो फैंस वाले फैन होते हैं, मतलब उसका क्या रहेगा?
उसका दूसरा
It's the
मीनिंग
same.
देखो वेंटिलेटर ये तो होता है फैन.
This is fan means
Ventilator.
Ventilator.
Ventilator is the fan.
Hmm.
ओके. ये तो हो गया इलेक्ट्रिकल फैन. ओके.
Electrical fan, yeah.
इलेक्ट्रिकल फैन. और जो फैन होता है वो क्या होगा बताओ भाई, कौन बताएगा? एक तो वो फैन भी हो सकता है.
Hmm.
ओके. डेयर फैन.
Hmm.
डेयर फैन भी हो सकता है. और
Hmm.
देखो डिक्शनरी देखे क्या हो सकता है. लेट अस लुक एट द
Yeah.
डिक्शनरी. कौन देख रहा है डिक्शनरी? समबडी हैव अ लुक एट द डिक्शनरी.
Hmm.
अच्छा, इसमें मेरा एक कंफ्यूजन था कि जो प्लूरल डेटिव है
हाँ.
वो कब लगेगा, बिकॉज मोस्टली सारे केस में हम तो दी यूज करेंगे, राइट?
हाँ.
यहाँ पे प्लूरल आएगा, फिर
हाँ.
देन कब लगेगा?
हाँ देखो मैंने
So
अभी
is
बताया.
Abhay, I have one more doubt. Like, is it only when the article is feminine, it will change to then, right?
When the article is D, then it will change to either dare or dane, depending upon if it is singular
In
or
plural.
Okay.
Yeah.
in plural it will always be dane. In plural,
Always, like if it is there, D does, it will be then.
yeah, because plural is D article, na? Plural is D. Plural is D, and plural dative of D is dane only.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
this is all
Now got
singular.
it.
This is all singular. This is all singular. This is all from here onwards. This is all singular. Okay, this is all singular. Nominative, oppositive. This is all singular. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
got it? This is plural. In plural, everything will be den. When it is dative, it will be den.
Okay.
Yeah.
Plural dative. Okay, is this clear? More clear now? Plural
Yeah.
dative is always den. Okay, I have written the same thing. Plural dative is always den. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you asked when we are going to use it. Now I told you there are prepositions. There are prepositions which are either accusative or dative or both.
Or noun.
Okay.
Accusative, dative, both. Okay.
There are prepositions which are either nominative, accusative. Nominative, they are always, they are not, basically they are in principle they are nominative only. Okay. Now depending on the questions we are going to ask, it becomes who. This will be here there will be no, normally there will be no prepositions. Now you see aus, this is aus is a preposition. Okay, now you see ish come aus Indian, this is nominative preposition. But when we ask who, when we ask who, this remains nominative. Who is from India? Ish come aus Indian, right? I am from India. Okay, is this clear?
Yes.
So depending on the prepositions and depending upon the verbs are also accusative, dative and nominative. There are three types of verbs. Okay. Now same way in dative case, when you ask wem, was und wo का बनी क्या है? Where. was क्या था?
What?
Now you will ask, this is the same thing as in the nominative case, right? This is the same thing. These two are from the nominative case, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right? This is the same thing, na? But
Yes.
now you see, this is, they are not alone. This is or. But here it is either of the two. At least two of them must qualify. Okay. This one plus this one plus this one, or this one plus this one, or this one. So this is a combination of three. This is a combination of three, and or. What we call it? And or condition. And or.
Yeah. The first one is when or where, right?
Yeah, this is wem. This is wem. Because dare का क्या होता है? Dame हो जाता है ना? Dare का क्या होता है dative में? Dame हो जाता है ना? So
Yeah.
where का क्या हो जाएगा? Wem.
When.
वेन।
Okay.
नॉमिनेटिव में क्या हो जाएगा? वेन।
Vein.
ओके, नॉमिनेटिव में डेर का क्या हो जाता है? डेन। तो वेर का क्या हो जाएगा? वेन।
Vein.
Okay, now you see this is little becoming, this will become little complex. Now you see accusative case, this is when, this is also who, this is also who, this is what, this
What?
is
Yeah.
who and what, and okay, this is a combined, these two must qualify. This can be double question. Who is doing what? Ich kenne den Mann seit Jahren. I know. Who do I know? This man. I know this person. What do I do? I know. This is the verb, right? ये बैकग्राउंड म्यूट करो, कौन है? Mute your background. There are a lot of vehicle movement. Ish. देखो. Now you see. What you see here is ish kene. Kene is the verb kenen. Kenen का मतलब है to know. Okay. I know this person for years. I know, इसका ट्रांसलेशन क्या होगा? I know this person since years. Since years और for years होता है, actually for years होगा ना. I know this person for years. So what do I know and who do I know? Now you see the question. What do I know? Know this person. Who do I know? This person. So there are two things. There is one verb and there is one subject, object. So now what do I know? What do I do? I know this person. I know. And who do I know? This person. Okay. Do you see this?
Yeah.
Here it is
Yeah.
or, here it is our situation. Either of these two should qualify. Either it will be who or was. Okay. This is clear?
Yeah.
Abhishek?
Yeah.
Abhishek is little lost.
No. I was just speaking to mute.
Acha. Okay. Now let me repeat this again. Nominative case में when we ask either of these two questions, either we will ask where or was.
Was.
Who am I? Here I cannot ask what am I, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But ich bin Lehrer. Okay.
Ich bin Lehrer.
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 Ich bin Lehrer. Okay.
Ich bin Lehrer.
What am I? Question क्या
You
बनेगा
are.
यहाँ पे? What
I am
am
teacher.
What am I? Now answer is I am a
Lehrer.
teacher.
Yeah.
Correct? Now this is the question. Was bin ich? अंग्रेजी में क्या बनेगा? अंग्रेजी में अगर हम देखो, मैं फिर से रिपीट करूँ. English और German do not carry the same sentence structure as in English. They don't match. So even the question asking doesn't conform to literal translation. Okay. So question will be, what is my profession? इंग्लिश में जब हम क्वेश्चन पूछते तो यही होगा ना, व्हाट इज माय प्रोफेशन.
Yeah, what is my profession?
अंग्रेजी में नहीं पूछते.
I am tech.
अंग्रेजी में जब पूछते हु आर यू तो हम कहते हैं कि आई एम अभय. यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन पूछते हु आर यू, राइट?
Yeah, ich bin Abhay.
हु आर यू अंग्रेजी में. जब हम यहाँ पर इश बिन लेयर करते हैं तो क्या, व्हाट एम आई का मतलब है कि व्हाट एम आई फ्रॉम बाय प्रोफेशन. Okay, this is the question actually I'm trying to ask. What am I by profession? I am a teacher. So now you see who and was, they are either or conditions. Either this or this. Okay, you can ask only one question here. Okay, is this clear?
Yeah.
In accusative case, you can ask this and this and this. These two questions must qualify. Then this is an accusative case. This must qualify. Ask the question in two ways, and you can use Ich kenne den Mann seit Jahren. Even if you remove this Ich kenne den Mann, you remove this, make it very simple. Okay, I know this person. Make it very simple. Let us make it very simple. Okay. Okay, I know this person. Now let's take this example. I know this person. Now there is a what do I do? What is my specialty? I know. Okay, I know. And who do I know? This person. Is this clear? Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we can hear you.
Okay, is this clear also?
Yes.
Yeah, come again. Is there?
इश ये समझ में आया क्या जो
Yeah. This is clear.
Ich kenne den Mann. Who do I know? This person. Okay, who do I know? This person. And what am I doing? I know this person. This is the verb. Okay, kennen. Okay,
Chennai is no.
Kenne.
Ich kenne.
Ich kenne.
Okay,
Ich kenne.
is this clear? Are we getting
Yeah.
the difference between accusative case and nominative case? Did we understand the difference? Here it is the or situation. Here it is and situation.
And
Okay, now dative is and or situation. And or means either of the two conditions must qualify. Either of the two conditions must qualify. 1, 2, 3. These are three conditions, right? Who, what, where. These are three conditions, correct?
What, where? Yes.
Now, either of these, at least two must qualify. Either this and this, or this and this, or this and this. At least two of them must be qualified. Okay, is this clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, clear.
Now, das kleine Haus gehört dem Mann. Okay. क्या मीनिंग है इसका? Let us look at this. Das kleine Haus gehört
Gehört dem Mann.
kleine beta दो इसमें simple. Let us make it very simple. Das Haus gehört dem Mann. This
This house belongs to.
correct. This house
this house gehört dem Mann.
belongs to
Belongs
that
the man.
That man.
Okay, this is simple. Now,
The house gehört dem man.
what belongs to whom? What belongs to whom?
Hmm.
What belongs to whom? Okay, this is clear. What belongs to whom?
Das Haus gehört dem Mann.
Das Haus gehört dem Mann. That is der Mann. Der Mann का आर्टिकल क्या होगा? Der का आर्टिकल क्या? Dem.
Dem.
होता है डेम में, है ना? और 10 कहाँ पे चेंज हो गया? 10 भी डेम में चेंज हो गया?
Dem में change हो गया.
Dem.
Yeah.
Das Haus gehört
Das
dem Mann.
Haus gehört dem Mann.
Dem Mann.
Das Haus gehört dem Mann.
Das
Okay.
gehört dem Mann.
Das Haus gehört. Now gehört is a gehören. Verb क्या है?
Gehört.
Yeah. And in most of the cases, if you look at this, so I think there will be more dative sentences, right, in the normal German language,
Uh,
because everywhere you will find these two two at least two conditions in most of the
No,
sentences.
no, 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 no,
No.
not always.
Okay.
भाई
Okay.
आप डिपेंडिंग ऑन द सेंटेंस ना, कि
Hmm.
आप ये एक्शन का बता रहे हो, आई नो दिस पर्सन, आई नो दिस पर्सन, ओके, नाउ वेयर इज द dative here? I'm eating my food, I'm eating my food, he is my brother, I'm going home, there is no dative, right? What am I
Hmm.
doing, what am I
Yeah.
doing? Okay, now das Haus gehört dem Mann. ये
Das Haus
Das Haus
gehört dem
gehört
Mann.
dem
now
Mann.
Das
gehören
Haus
is a dative verb. Is a
gehören.
Gehören.
dative verb. Okay. So whenever now these two conditions are qualifying. This is the condition qualifying gehören. Gehören is always dative. Gehören is wherever gehören comes, it will always be dative. Okay. Belong to.
So we need to learn all the verbs.
Yes, whether they are accusative, dative, or nominative. You need to learn adjectives. You learn to need prepositions, whether they are dative, accusative, or nominative. These two, three, and then you would need to learn how they change. Nominative mein, dative mein, and accusative mein. How these are going to change. This all we need to learn. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So thus, is this clear now? When and was condition is there here, and or condition is there. At least two must qualify here. At least two of them must qualify. Is this clear?
Yes.
Let me write it. At least two conditions must qualify. Okay.
Yeah.
So now you see example. Now this is a genitive. Genitive I am leaving out. Genitive I will leave out, but I'll try to explain. I'll try to explain it without genitive. Okay. Why I'm leaving out genitive? Genitive is thus how the now you see. Okay, I'll just give you an overview.
Possession.
Now it's a position or belongingness. Okay. Genitive case is this is my
Yeah.
book. Das Buch gehört mir. The meines Buches. Okay, this is possessive pronoun. So, but we are not going to use this. So I'll just remove this from here. Okay. At the beginning level, this will become then too complicated. Okay. Now, see a picture. Do you see a picture?
Yeah.
Der
Okay.
Mann steht vor
For
For seinem Haus.
For
seinem Haus.
Sein. Zinem. हेलो हेलो हेलो
वो देते हैं।
ये क्या है? EI का है?
हेलो
ये क्या पढ़ेंगे?
Sinam.
यार क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग?
Sinam. Sinam house.
Seinem Haus. Seinem.
Sinam house.
Signing.
EI को कैसे पढ़ते हैं? आई पढ़ते हैं ना?
Yes.
अरे
seinem Haus.
आप लोग तो सब भूल जा रहे हो. Der Mann steht vor seinem Haus.
Seinem Haus.
Sinam house.
Signing house.
Okay. वो steht der Mann. वो क्वेश्चन क्या है? वो steht.
वो
Who is staying where? Wo steht der Mann? Who is staying where? Now, who and where? Two conditions are being qualified. Okay. These two conditions are qualifying. Who? Who is standing where? Now, their man stand का मतलब क्या है? Stand का मतलब है standing.
Standing.
Stand का मतलब क्या है?
Stand.
Okay. Der Mann steht vor seinem Haus. Now
Seinem Haus.
for is a dative preposition. For क्या है?
Dative.
For is a dative preposition. Okay, so for dame. हाउस का आर्टिकल क्या है? हाउस इज 10 हाउस ना. हाउस आर्टिकल इज 10 हाउस. 10 हाउस. सो फोर डाटिव में क्या हो जाता है? 10 का डेम हो जाता है, राइट?
Dame.
फोर डेम हाउस.
Or dame house.
फोर इज अ डाटिव प्रीपोजिशन और 10 का डाटिव में क्या हो जाता है? डेम.
Dame.
सो फोर डेम हाउस. सो यहाँ क्या लिखा है? देयर मस्ट स्टेट फोर
For
जाइनेम
वो
हाउस.
Zainem House.
Seinem Haus.
वो
Zainem.
डा-
जाइनेम का मतलब होता है उसका, है ना? जाइनेम का मतलब क्या है? उसका.
ओके ओके उसका
जाइनेम उसका.
Zainem.
Zain
ओके
his house. Okay, his. Now
so Zai means house, so Zainem means उसका.
हाँ, their man.
Dear man,
Dann
stay
अगर हम इसको
for
बिल्कुल सिंपल कर दें,
for
for them house.
for them house.
ओके, कहाँ खड़ा है वो आदमी? देयर man
उसके घर
स्टेट.
के सामने.
नहीं, अभी इसमें उसका
The
नहीं
man
है,
state.
वो तो जाइनम, मैंने उसको हटा दिया अभी, है ना? सिंपल कर दिया. देयर man स्टेट फॉर देम हाउस. वो कौन कहाँ खड़ा है? एक आदमी अपने घर के बाहर, एक आदमी घर
के
के बाहर,
सामने खड़ा है.
घर के सामने खड़ा है ना? सिंपल. कहाँ खड़ा है?
Their
घर के
man
सामने.
stayed for them house.
हाँ,
Yeah.
the man stayed for them house. Okay. This is simple dative sentence. This is what we call as a simple dative
Simple.
sentence. Okay. There is no adjective. There is nothing. Okay. The man stayed for Zainem house. Zainem का मतलब क्या है? उसका. His house. Okay.
उसके. Yeah.
Is this clear? Now you got the example of dative.
yeah.
Yeah.
नहीं.
Any doubts here? Any doubts here? Any doubts?
No.
No, I think we will have to learn ourselves.
Yes.
We will have
you
to practice. Yeah.
Correct. You have to learn it and practice yourself. That's correct. Now, okay, read it.
Achtung,
88. 180.
180.
Achtung.
अच्छा ये zig होगा ये zish होगा. Zig.
Zig क्यों होगा यार?
Zish.
Fujitsu.
Zig.
Fujitsu.
8 zigs.
नहीं जी.
So,
Aksish.
Und
Aksish.
Achtzig.
Aksish. Aksish. Aksish.
Access.
Access.
Und
Ab und Access.
Okay.
Zish.
8 und 80.
88.
88.
Okay.
88. Okay.
180. 180.
180.
नहीं, zish नहीं है कहीं पर भी.
Sick.
188.
188. Plus. Minus. Mal. Dir.
Durch.
Gleich.
Durch.
Durch.
It is not Diorsh, it is Dursh. This is
Durch and gleich.
This is U sound. U.
Durch.
Durch. Yeah.
Durch. Gleich.
An dem is equal
On
gleich.
them. Yeah.
An dem is gleich. Okay.
Okay.
You have taken this M, make it. Why it is like this? Actually, there. This is dative form. Na dame is always in dative form, right?
Yeah.
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 And an is a preposition. So dative form of preposition is
Okay.
This is okay. These are simple. Actually, it is not difficult. Only you need to relate the things. Okay, we need to relate the things. Okay, Zeitangabe.
Zeitangabe.
Right
Yeah.
and Gabe.
Wie spät ist
Zeitangabe.
We
We
spät
spät
is
ist
es.
Wie spät ist es?
ist es? Wie
Ist
spät ist
es.
Wie
es?
spät ist
Ist
es?
es?
Ja,
Spät
antworten.
ist
Antworten.
es.
Antworten.
Es ist
Aha.
19 nach 9.
Ja, sehr gut.
Sehr gut.
Sehr gut.
Wie viel Uhr ist es?
Ja, Abhishek, wie viel Uhr ist es?
Wie viel Uhr ist es? What time it is?
Ja, answer.
Ja, ja.
Don't translate.
Es, es ist 9:04 sorry 20 को क्या बोलते हैं? Zwanzig.
Aha.
Es ist 9:39.
9.
9. Es ist 9:04. 20 is what is 20? 20 I'm just
Zwanzig.
forgetting.
नहीं आप दो
Zwanzig.
चीजें नहीं यूज कर सकते ना। आप und और for एक साथ नहीं लगा सकते।
हाँ,
कंजंक्शन के साथ आप प्रीपोजिशन नहीं लगा सकते। Es ist sehen
It is
for
For
halb
halb
zehn
1000.
it is 9:20
Yeah.
9:20, yeah.
9:20 इसको दूसरी तरीके से कैसे कहेंगे?
Oh,
ये हो जाएगा Viertel. नहीं
हाँ
इसको क्या बोलेंगे कि फ्यूम नाक Viertel
ओके fünf nach Viertel 9 fünf
9. Yeah.
fünf
Fünf
nach
nach Viertel 9.
Viertel
Viertel
9
9.
9.
ja okay Roshna
Ja.
wie viel Uhr kommst du? Wie viel Uhr kommst du?
Word comes
आप
to
कितने बजे
what
आओगे?
time you
क्या-
will come, right?
What is the
Ich
ish
Komme.
Kame.
komme
take any time
Why?
Zen.
then
Zehn
Zen
Uhr
Uhr.
10.
Zen नहीं है
Okay.
Zehn है
10.
then
Sorry, Zen Uhr. Zen.
या ich komme 10 Uhr कोई पूछा आप कितने बजे आएंगे मैं इतने बजे आऊंगा ओके what time you will come I will come at what time see question is at what time you will come question क्या है at what time you will come right so answer has to be I will come at 10 o'clock right okay this I have already explained for right
For knock.
for yeah that we know.
Gehen. Okay. Gehen.
गेगन कहाँ है
Gegen.
Gegen.
गेगन का मतलब अपोजिट भी होता है इसका एक मीनिंग अपोजिट भी होता है
अच्छा. Circa.
Gegen.
अपोजिट
So how do I pronounce translate it? I'll come tomorrow at 10.
या इश
Ish.
oder
Ich komme.
morgen
Hmm.
komme ich
Ish.
Then
Then come 10 Uhr.
Uhr.
ja
Morgen komme ich
Okay.
morgen komme ich 10 Uhr
Ish.
Morgen komme.
10 Uhr. Yeah. 10 Uhr.
10 Uhr.
10 Uhr.
10.
10.
okay
Yeah.
And if it is the evening, then Abend komme ist 10
या
Uhr.
मॉर्गन आबेंड कल देखो इसका दो मीनिंग है मॉर्गन का दो मीनिंग है एक तो सवेरे है और एक है टुमारो ओके
Okay.
so if I'm talking about tomorrow evening then morgen abend komme ich 22 Uhr
Points from this. And I'm same. If you take the same example, I'm coming in night. So is it going to be Nacht?
या
अगर मैं बोल रहा हूँ रात में आ रहा हूँ, not evening.
हाँ
I'm
हाँ
saying
हाँ
रात में आ रहा हूँ.
बिल्कुल ठीक यू आर राइट
Okay. So
मॉर्गन
Nacht,
मॉर्गन
Morgen.
Morgen Nacht. Okay. Morgen Nacht
but we
komme
don't
ist
no no but we don't say like again I told you we don't say I will come at tomorrow night I will come at tomorrow evening only this is
yeah.
always evening night is only used when you are going to bed
Yeah.
okay or it is a deep night if it is either it will be early morning or it will be late evening okay it will be late evening so spät am Abend spät Abend uh, 23 Uhr. Ich komme,
23 Uhr. Ich komme
ich
Spät.
komme
spät Abend.
ich komme spät am Abend
Spät.
Ich
Abend.
komme spät am Abend.
23 or gegen
Drei.
Abend.
22 Uhr gegen है ना because you don't know exactly when you will come ich komme spät
Komme
Abend
spät Abend.
Spät Abend gegen
Okay. Ich
gegen
komme
Drei-
gegen 23
late in
Uhr.
the evening then if it is after 12 then you say early morning okay we don't use night as a time definition okay in the time definition we
Okay.
don't use night okay morgen spät Nachmittag देखो Nachmittag
Mid
spät Nachmittag
afternoon.
late afternoon spät Nachmittag we use also spät am Nachmittag say it is not evening but it is not afternoon also okay so what we say late afternoon
Hmm.
okay Nachmittag spät इसी तरह Abend spät Abend
Spät Abend.
because night there is nothing in English we have late night but in German we don't have a late night okay Nacht there is nothing like late night
oh,
No.
okay so this is not correct in a time description we don't use it okay
Yeah.
night is not used because it is not say socially correct okay so Abend spät Abend spät Nachmittag is okay spät morgen spät is also not okay morgen früh is okay but morgen spät is not okay okay früh morgen or morgen früh morgen früh
true.
komme ich 6 Uhr
Oh, 6 Uhr.
okay so early morning is okay morning is okay morgen abend का मतलब है कल शाम को okay
Hmm. Yeah.
or you can say morgen früh morgen früh or just say morgen komme ich um 6 Uhr कल मैं because 6 Uhr already means morning na so you don't need to say again morning right 6 Uhr 6 o'clock is morning na
Yeah.
either you say I will come tomorrow morning or in English we say I will come tomorrow 6 o'clock morning morning 6 o'clock because we don't say 6 a.m. or p.m. when we are speaking English. है ना? If you are
Yeah.
saying I will come at 6 a.m., you don't need to say morning, right? It is a repetition. I will come at 6 a.m. morning. It doesn't mean anything, or does it?
Morgen komme ich um 6 Uhr, ja.
Ja? Morgen komme
Ja.
ich um 10 Uhr. Morgen Abend komme ich um 22
Morgen
Uhr.
Abend komme ich um
Okay, we can say spät
gleich.
am Abend. Spät am Abend.
Abhay, I have one doubt. Like, if we are saying 22 Uhr, that
Okay.
means it will be in the afternoon only, right?
This is night. 22
Fine.
hours. 22 hours is night.
Then
Evening.
Yeah, night.
22, ja.
then should we say that
Morgen Abend.
Abend again?
From okay.
But we are already saying, no, Morgen Abend. So it is
7
understood it is
7
night.
p.m. till 0 Uhr or midnight.
12 बजे तक. Okay.
Midnight. We can say Abend. This is Abend. Okay,
Yeah.
Roshna?
Yeah.
But we can emphasize that we are late in the evening. So we can say spät am Abend. Spät Abend. Okay. This is an emphasis because this is an adjective. This is an adjective. No? I will come late in the evening. Late is an adjective, right? Ich komme Abend. Ich komme Abend gegen 23 Uhr. Even I will not even use Abend because I'm coming at 23 hours. That is already evening. And I
Yeah.
don't need to say it again.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So now problem here it will be ich komme gegen if it is for today or tomorrow. So ich komme morgen, but then it will be written small. Then it will be written small morgen tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, tomorrow at no, this will be written capital morgen. Ich komme morgen gegen 23 hours. Tomorrow I will come tomorrow at 23 hours. Okay.
Yeah. Also, I have one doubt. Like, when we need to give the capital letters and
See, all nouns and pronouns are written capital. Okay,
yes,
one thing.
okay.
Then beginning of the sentence, everything is written capital. That we already know. With the exception of ish, it can be written small or capital. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay, it doesn't matter. It is still correct, or you write I. It is still correct. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So exception is this that I of ish can small or capital. It is always correct. Now else everything everywhere it is for a beginning of the sentence is capital and noun and pronoun are always written in capital. Spät. Now you see spät Nachmittag. Spät
Yeah.
Nachmittag.
Nachmittag.
Late afternoon. This has been used as a pronoun. When? Late afternoon. But if I use it as adjective, then I will write it spät, spät Nachmittag. Yeah. Now Nachmittag is the pronoun, right? Spät is the adjective.
Okay.
Okay, getting my point?
Yes.
Morgen is here it is used for tomorrow. But if I use it for morning, so if I write it ich komme morgen or morgen 6 Uhr.
Morgen
6 Uhr. That means I will come today early morning.
6 Uhr, ja. Ich komme morgen 6 Uhr.
This means morning. This means morning. Okay.
Okay.
This is tomorrow.
Yeah.
Is this clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, okay. Do we want to repeat the time again? Or how is it? Are we good with the time?
Yes.
Yes, I
Yes or
think.
no?
Yeah.
Okay. Weekdays, have we done this?
No.
No.
Okay. So, come on.
Der Wostag.
Der Wochentag.
Der Wochentag.
Wochentag,
Wochentag.
Wochentag, प्लूरल क्या होगा?
Wochentag.
दी वोखनटाग। देखो ये जो ई लगा हुआ है, एक तो इसमें ऐड होगा और इसका प्लूरल क्या होता है? हमेशा दी होता है ना?
दी।
तो दी
Die
वोखनटाग,
Wochentag.
है ना? लेकिन जोन टाग, डेयर जोन टाग, टाग का आर्टिकल क्या है? डेयर टाग। और मैंने आपको बताया था शुरू में कि
Yeah.
जो लास्ट नाउन होता है, जो जिसमें ऐड करते हैं, उसका आर्टिकल लेते हैं। जो नाउन और प्रोनाउन जो हम ऐड करते हैं कॉम्बिनेशन वर्ड में, उसमें जो नाउन और प्रोनाउन लास्ट में आता है, उसका आर्टिकल लेते हैं। तो टाग का आर्टिकल क्या है? डेयर
Der.
टाग, डेयर टाग।
Der
So,
Sohn.
Der Tag.
so
Ja.
डेयर जोन टाग,
Der Sonntag.
Der Sonntag.
डेयर मोनटाग,
Der
Der
Montag.
Montag.
डेयर dienstag,
Der Dienstag.
मिटवॉch।
Mittwoch.
मिटवॉch क्या है?
Wednesday.
Midweek.
Midweek. Yeah.
Mid of the week.
Mid of the week, yeah.
Mid of the week. Der Donnerstag,
Der Donnerstag.
der Freitag,
Der Freitag.
der Samstag.
Der
Der
Samstag.
Samstag.
Same way, it is also called Sonnabend. The
Sonnabend.
evening before Sunday. Evening before Sunday, na?
Sunday.
Der
Sonntag.
Okay.
Sonnabend. Yeah.
Now, der Tag,
Der
Der
Tag.
Tag.
der Morgen,
Der
Der
Morgen.
Morgen.
der Vormittag,
Der
Der
Vormittag.
Vormittag.
der Mittag,
Der
Der
Mittag.
Mittag.
der Nachmittag,
Der
Der
Nachmittag.
Nachmittag.
der Abend,
Der
Der
Abend.
Abend.
die Nacht. Nacht
Die
का
Die Nacht.
Die.
Okay. Now, प्लूरल क्या होगा इसका?
इसका
Die.
die Nachmittage.
Dem.
Nachmittage.
Die Nachmittag. Die
Die
Nacht.
Die Nachmittage.
Abend का क्या होगा?
Die
Abend.
Abend.
Die Abend. Die
Die
Abend.
Abend. Ja, one E लग जाएगा chair में.
हाँ,
Die
लेकिन
Nacht.
नाख्ट का क्या होगा? Die Nacht.
Die Nacht.
Die Nächte.
Die
Die
Nacht.
Nächte. Ja.
Okay, die Nacht.
ये होगा इसका.
Hmm.
Okay. Die Nacht.
Die Nacht.
Die Nacht.
Die Nacht. प्लूरल क्या है? Die Nacht.
Nacht.
Monat. Der
Der Januar.
Monat का आर्टिकल भी क्या है? Der Monat.
Der Monat.
Okay.
Hier Monat.
Der Januar.
Der Januar.
Hier
Januar. Hello.
Februar.
Stop. Please read carefully. Der Januar.
Hier
Der Januar.
It is not Januar. Who said Januar? Der Januar.
Hier
Der
Januar.
Januar.
It was me who said Januar.
Ah. Der Februar.
Here
Der
Februar.
Februar.
आगे?
Der
Der
Mars.
Februar.
März.
Der März.
Dear
März.
März.
Yeah,
Umlaut दिखाना.
März. हाँ.
Umlaut दिखाना.
Umlaut.
Right.
Yeah, yeah.
Der März.
Mhm.
Der April.
Der
Dear.
April. Der April.
Dear April.
Der Mai.
Dear
Der Mai.
Mai.
Der
Dear
Juni.
Juni.
Dear Juni. Juli.
Der
Der
Juli.
Juli.
Der
Der
August.
Der
August.
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 Ja, August.
Der August.
Der
Der
September.
September.
Der September.
Der
September.
Der September.
Der
Der
September.
September.
Der
Der
Oktober.
Oktober.
Der Oktober.
Der
Der
November.
November.
Der
November.
November. November.
November.
November.
November.
Der December.
Der
Der
Dezember.
December.
No, der Dezember.
December.
Der Dezember.
December. December.
December.
December.
Ja.
December.
D. Okay. E is A sound. So okay. December.
हाँ.
December.
That's
December.
Okay. Now these are the questions. Now how do we ask for information? Wie heißt du? Wie heißt du?
I
Wie
Wie
heißt
heißt du?
Ich
Wie
heiße.
Answer it.
Ich heiße Rosh.
Aha. You can read the question and answer, Nilesh. First read the question, then answer.
Yeah. Wie heißt du?
Mm-hmm.
Ich,
Answer.
ich heiße
Uh-huh.
Nilesh.
Good. Abhishek.
We heist ear.
We heist ear.
We heist ear.
Now ear I had told you it is second person plural.
Plural.
Okay. Now this is difficult to answer because as a person you cannot answer this. So again the answer will be same because everybody will answer for himself or herself. No. So you have to answer for yourself. No. You cannot answer for two people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
ish haise. Answer here again will be ish haise.
It
Yeah.
heist.
Okay. Ich heiße होगा.
Because you cannot answer for two people. No. Everybody will have different name.
Yeah.
You cannot say we two are called like this, right? Correct.
Oh,
This is not possible, or it is possible, but it is not normal, right? Exceptions.
Yeah.
If I say so, answer Abhishek.
I've got confused.
What is? Why are you confused? Ear is second person plural. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
So somebody asking you, or if there are two people and somebody asks how are you, how you two people are called, so everybody will have to answer for himself, no?
Oh,
The two people will not have the same name normally, right?
yeah.
So how everybody will have to answer for himself. So it will always be ish aise. Answer will always be ish aise. Is this clear now?
Yeah.
अभिषेक को अभी भी कंफ्यूजन. अभिषेक देखो
Yeah,
ध्यान से
अभी
सुनो.
भी मुझे हाँ. We heist you means what?
वी हाइस्ट ईयर. वी हाइस्ट ईयर. आप दोनों को क्या कहते हैं? आप दोनों का नाम क्या है? प्लूरल है ये, प्लूरल.
We I. Okay. So we yeah right. No, now I got it. So we cannot answer for the second person.
करेक्ट. यू हैव टू आंसर फॉर योर सेल्फ ना. तो आंसर विल ऑलवेज बी इश हाइस है.
Ish heist. It's me.
तो आंसर करो ना. हेलो, आंसर इज अभिषेक.
Yeah, yeah. I'm getting stuck to answering it.
इश हाइस से अभिषेक. अब तो बोलो.
Ish heist Abhishek.
इश.
But what about no? So what about second person? Ish heist Abhishek und Abhay. Actually, that was the confusion I was
But you
thinking.
cannot answer for him, na. You cannot answer for me.
No, but let's say I'm just arguing. So let's say
Okay.
he's asking that how both of you.
Okay.
I say Abhishek und Abhay.
Und er heißt Abhay.
Okay, air heist Abhay. Okay, that is what I was consistently
Okay.
thinking to
Okay,
answer
okay,
that.
good. Er heißt Abhay. And he is Abhay. His name is Abhay. Okay. And
Okay.
this
EL.
und sie heißt
Is
Roshna.
heist.
Feminine. Sie.
Z. Okay, Z.
Feminine.
Yeah.
Und
Z
sie.
heist.
Okay.
Und
Okay.
Abhay, 2 minutes. I'll be back.
Yeah, now it is more clear.
Abhay, hello.
हाँ, yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, I'll be back in 2 minutes.
Okay, fine.
So now it is more clear. So I was thinking, why not we can answer two person answer by one person.
Okay. Ich heiße Abhishek und er heißt Abhay. Ich
Is
heiße
heist
Abhay
Abhishek und er heist Abhay. Yeah, right. Now
und
got
sie
it.
heißt Roshna. Sie क्यों? ये er s sie था ना हमारा?
Yes.
Small ही होगा. Er is
Small होगा. Right.
Okay. Sie heißt Roshna. है ना?
सर आज यहीं पे एंड करेंगे वरना
अच्छा
फिर रिपीट नहीं होगा.
भाई, हम लोग सिलेबस से बहुत पीछे चल रहे हैं. पता है ना आपको?
हम्म.
जो प्लानिंग है, प्लान से बहुत पीछे चल रहे हैं. हम एंड तो कर देते हैं, उसमें कोई इशू नहीं है, बट हम लोग काफी पीछे हैं. दिस वी मस्ट नोटिस दिस. वी मस्ट टेक नोट ऑफ दिस. आज कितनी तारीख हो गई?
आज हो गई
Okay, 6,
6
7 कितना
नवंबर,
है?
Friday.
6th of November.
Okay, so we are not according, actually we should have finished this page. There is nothing, there are all this we have done. Hobbies, languages, है ना? Only thing was professions. These are the now what you do, you go through this whole page. There is nothing new.
Yeah.
There is nothing
Yeah,
new.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. We can
Everything
go
Yeah.
is
through this.
everything
Yeah.
is explained here. Or you can find out. Here,
Yeah.
look, this pictorials and this is the professions. Berufe. Okay, these are professions.
Okay.
Yeah.
So similarly, you can test your knowledge with this. You can say, you can find out who is doing what or what is doing, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So address, telephone, name. Again, this is all revision. This is all revision, but we should have finished this.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is something to practice. Personal information in your language. You can fill in your language. You must understand the meaning of these sentences, these words. Okay. So this should include everything. Now next time when we meet on Wednesday, no, Tuesday, right? Tuesday we are
Yeah.
meeting. So on Tuesday, I want everybody to have done this because you will have a full weekend to do this, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
please try to complete it so that we can go ahead. है ना? Dative, I will repeat what I will repeat in the next class is dative, accusative, and nominative. I will explain again. Okay, with more
Okay.
sentences
Okay.
so that it is more clear because your knowledge will be based on that grammar. But vocabulary is, at the same time is also important, right? Now,
Yeah.
Yeah.
है ना? Berufer. Now you see the Busfahrer, friseur. So this you can read and please try to read aloud. Read aloud. Your problem is still that you are not reading it loud. You must hear that. You should speak so loud that you can hear it. Okay, that is where that is why we cannot,
Yes. Yes.
our muscles are not
Okay.
being trained. Our muscles are not trained to pronounce those words. This is the problem. This is the problem. Okay,
This is the
Okay.
problem. Yeah.
once we have done, once we are there with pronunciation, it will be easier. Okay.
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 Okay, then schönes Wochenende. Schönes Wochenende. Have a nice
Sure.
schönes Wochenende. Have a nice
Sean
week.
is open.
Schönes Wochenende. Wochenende.
Schönes
Schönes
Wochenende. Schönes Wochenende.
Ende is the end. Schön is beautiful. Have a nice. Schön.
Schön ist
Schön.
Wochenende.
Wochenende is das Ende. So Wochenende. Schönes Wochenende. Schönes
Schön
Wochenende.
ist Wochenende.
Sean is
Schön.
open.
Schön is beautiful, right?
Schön is beautiful. Ende is das Ende. So schönes Wochenende.
Schönes
So
Wochenende.
what is so
Sure.
before you leave?
Yeah.
Beautiful flower.
Have a nice weekend. Have a nice weekend, भाई.
Beautiful flower. Schön Flower.
भाई ऐसे पढ़ोगे तो नहीं होगा. schön का मतलब है अच्छा. schön का मतलब है अच्छा, सुंदर, है ना? Have a nice. Have a nice weekend. Have a nice end of the week. Schönes Wochenende. Woche भी पढ़ा ना? Week. Okay. Schönes Wochenende.
Wochenende.
Have a nice
Sean
weekend.
is Wochenende.
Have a nice weekend. Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Tschüss.
Tschüss.
Tschüss. Bis später.
Bis Dienstag. कुछ नहीं करके आते काम छोड़.